thumbs up. Police reported 1.5 miles ahead on US-1 5 minutes ago. Unconfirmed. Speaking police confirmed 1.5 miles ahead on US-1 56 seconds ago. 28 thumbs up. Police confirmed 1.5 miles ahead on US-1 17 seconds ago. 21 thumbs up. Police confirmed 1.5 miles ahead on US-1 31 seconds ago. 22 thumbs up. Police confirmed 1.5 miles ahead on US-1 18 minutes ago. 1 thumbs up. Police confirmed 1.5 miles ahead on US-1 41 seconds ago. 26 thumbs up. Police confirmed 1.5 miles ahead on US-1 1 minute ago. 37 thumbs up. Police confirmed 1.5 miles ahead on US-1 2 minutes ago. 34 thumbs up. 35 5 ahead. Minute 65.
Central 304 route, go ahead, traffic.
Front KA
We
band.
were called in by IS advising several parked vehicles when you enter T1 on the left-hand side of the parking zone.